iMac Announcement 2024. Apple iMac now available in new colors and M4 chip. Apple is said to be upgrading the iMac with an M4 chip. The company announced on Monday a new iMac which includes an M4 chip with an 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU. It's equipped with accessories that now utilize USB-C charging ports instead of Lightning. Like the primary model, the new iMac has a 24-inch 4.5K display. Meanwhile, Apple is offering a new nano texture glass option for $200 extra, which is claimed to help reduce reflections and glare. Moreover, the iMac's base RAM has been doubled to 16 GB over the prior model, with the capability to configure the higher-end option with up to 32 GB. Along with Apple's new iMac comes with a 12-megapixel webcam, including newly introduced Apple Intelligence features that are set to be launched today, like AI-powered writing and editing features and a revamped Siri. Notably, the upgraded iMac is available to pre-order today, with availability beginning on November 8th. The Cupertino-based tech giant unveiled that the newly updated iMac is now available in 7 colorways: green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and silver. However, there notably isn't a larger model available, as earlier, Apple confirmed it had no plans to change the now discontinued 27-inch model powered by Intel. The entry-level iMac model is priced at $1,299 with 2 Thunderbolt USB-C 4 ports, while the higher-end models start at $1,499 and have 4 ports.